Before we apply our Terraform configuration to create the controller, there's another important optional step we can take. We can create an override file to customize the deployment without altering the main module files. To see what we can customize, we'll navigate to the module's GitHub repository and look at the main Terraform file in the simple example. Here, you'll find a locals block. Locals are like internal variables for the module, and by overriding them, we can easily change aspects of our deployment. We'll copy this entire locals block and paste it into our override file. As you can see, this block contains key value pairs for various settings, such as the resource group name, VNet and subnet CIDR blocks, the VM size, and the admin username. By changing these values here, we can override the defaults set in the main module without having to modify the module's source code directly. For example, we can change the deployment location from West Europe to Southeast Asia to match the location of our storage account. Once we've made our desired changes, we'll save the file. Terraform will automatically load this override file and use our specified values during the deployment.